So in this lesson, I'll show you the Arduino libraries and I will also tell you the fundamentals of Arduino libraries. So let's start. So first of all, what is a library? Let me tell you what is a library. In case of Arduino, the libraries provide extra capabilities to your Arduino program. Suppose you want to work with keypad, you can have a library file of keypad in Arduino website or any other website. You can download that library file, install it, include it in your program. You will get the extra capability to handle keypad. So whenever you install any library, you will see new useful functions which are defined in that library. So you can say that libraries can be downloaded for specific purpose. So there are user defined libraries and there are built-in libraries. There are two types of libraries. Let me show you how libraries work. So this is a picture I have already shown you in case of Arduino IDE, but let me show you the first line. There is Arduino runtime and predefined libraries. Like these libraries have already defined by the Arduino software. And there is user libraries. So there is a scope to define your own library and include it in your program and use it. So there is scope. So whenever we write a program using those functions, these functions get compiled by AVR GCC and generates a machine code to be understandable by the hardware. This is how a library works. In case of Arduino IDE, I have already explained that. If you can remember, then you can also write your own library and write your own library functions for your program. Let me show you the predefined libraries and how it looks like. To show you the built-in libraries, let me take you to the file location of our Arduino board. If you have installed the Arduino IDE, then you will see that there is one Arduino icon on your desktop. So right click on the icon, go to open file location. There you will find this libraries folder. Now see Adafruit, Circuit Playground, Bridge, Explorer, Ethernet, Fermata, GSM. There are plenty of libraries up to Wi-Fi. So these are the predefined libraries. Whenever we are installing the Arduino IDE, these libraries are also there in installed folder. So to clearly show you, let me open these examples. See, in examples also Adafruit, Circuit Playground, Bridge, Explorer, in the same order the examples are there. So let me open the folder first, then I will show you the examples. In folder, then go to libraries. Let me make it a two window part. Go to libraries and these are the folders. Now see the examples. In the same order, see Adafruit, Circuit Playground, Adafruit, Circuit Playground, Bridge, Bridge, Explorer, Explorer, Ethernet, Ethernet, Fermata, GSM, Fermata, GSM, Liquid Crystal, Wi-Fi, all the libraries which are predefined exist in the example option. So you can locate the libraries and their examples from file, then examples. So these are the predefined libraries. Apart from it, you can still install a library which I will show you later on. So let me show you where this Arduino user defined libraries get stored. In documents, Arduino, and then libraries folder. So this is the location where the user defined libraries get stored. As you have already seen the predefined libraries, let me show you how to install a library. There are 2-3 processes through which we can install a library. Let me show you. How to install a library in Arduino IDE. Suppose for this I want to take an example of a keypad, a matrix keypad. We need matrix keypad in various applications. In this course, we also have matrix keypad, so it will be beneficial if we install a library of matrix keypad. This is how matrix keypad looks like. Now, what I'll do is, I'll open this Arduino software. Let me tell you, there are 3 ways we can install a library. One way is directly from this IDE. Another way is from the internet. Let me show you one by one. Let it open first. It opened. It shows the last program we did. That is our first sketch. So I'll go to sketch, then include library, then manage libraries. This is a new dialog box which is available in this software, from where we can directly search a library and install it. Like, this is pretty easy. If I write keypad here and search for it, remember you should have a working internet connection. I have working internet connection, that's why I am showing you keypad. If I write keypad, it is showing the best possible library, Adafruit keypad by Adafruit. Normally libraries from Adafruit is very beneficial and they are trustworthy. You can trust the libraries that it will work for sure. There are other libraries as well, like if you scroll down, Mark Stanley, LCD03, these are the libraries available. But if I install the matrix keypad library provided by Adafruit, I'll click here and click on install. If I click on install, it will download the library and install it. See, the library is installed. When you have installed the library, it should show installed written here. See, install written here. That means this library is installed. This is one process by which I can install Adafruit library. See, let me select another library like by Mark Stanley. Suppose I want to install Mark Stanley, but I'll install it externally without using this software. I'll close it. Let me show you. For this, I need to open my browser. My browser is opened. Now here I'll search for, in Google, I'll search for keypad library for Arduino. Now it is already there. Now see, keypad Arduino playground, keypad Arduino libraries. Let me open this. Keypad Arduino libraries by Mark Stanley, Alexander Breivik. What I'll do? I'll download this keypad 3.1.zip file. Click on it. Yes, it is downloaded. I'll go to the folder location where it has downloaded. Keypad 3.1.1. Now, once it is downloaded, I have 2 ways to install it. One way is, I'll go to Sketch. I'll first open the software and go to Sketch, then include library. Then below the manage library option, you will see another option called add zip library. Click here. It will open a dialog where it will ask you to select the zip file you want to install. For this, I'll click on downloads and locate this keypad zip file. Now if I click on open, see, the library added to your libraries, check include library menu. Now in your code, if you want to include this library, you can directly go to Sketch and include library, and here see I have two libraries. Directly from IDE I have installed Adafruit Keypad. If I click on Adafruit Keypad, see one header file is included in my program. Now if I want to install the other library, that is Keypad by Mark Stanley, then if I click on this keypad, it will include another two header files, keypad.h and key.h, in my program. This is how the library works. Now let me show you the third option. See, I have shown you that I have downloaded this keypad library in my downloads folder. One thing I can do is I can extract this here. See, I have extract the folder here. Now if I copy this folder and go to documents, now see it carefully, go to documents and go to Arduino folder, and then you will also see a folder named libraries. This is the user defined libraries where you can install your custom libraries or a library written by you. If you go to libraries, here if I paste the entire contents of keypad, I will not paste it because I have already installed it. So if I paste it here, that is another way to install a library without locating the zip file and all, without using the IDE. You can directly paste it here. Then the library will also be installed. Let me show you. I'll delete this folder. Now my folder is deleted. Now the library is installed with the name of Mark Stanley. Now if I check whether that library is installed or not, it is still showing keypad. Why? Because I have used this software and this option, add zip library. So for this I'll restart the software. Let me refresh my computer. Again I'm opening the IDE, and let me check whether that option is still there or not. See, now you don't have any option. You can clearly see that keypad library option is removed because I have deleted the directory. Now what I'll do, I'll go to downloads, copy the keypad folder, and go to documents, then Arduino, then libraries. Here I'll paste. Content is copied. Now I'll close this window. I'll also close this IDE. Let me refresh my computer. And if I open the Arduino IDE now, let's see if the option is there or not. It is opening. Once it is opened, I'll go to Sketch and then include library, and then we'll check whether keypad is installed or not. Go to Sketch, then include library. See, keypad option is there. That is another way you can install the library. Now I think you have a clear idea, very clear idea about how to install a library. I have shown you 3 processes. You can try that with your computer also. I can guarantee you it will be a success. In the next lesson, I'll tell you what is a shield and how to use a shield